guys, this is a challenge for me to sneeze as many times under 5 minutes, so hope you enjoy. And I'm going to use perfume, because I can't do it without pepper, because I eat pepper all the time, so I'm used to pepper, so I don't sneeze. I only cough from pepper. So, sorry, you can't really see my cameras. There, that's better. Whoa, a lot of light. So here we go. I'm going to smell like a perfume ball. Well, my hair's messed up. Alright, I feel something coming. Bless me. Yeah, so here we go. Ooh. There you go. That was a real sneeze. Barely came up. So I think I sneezed enough. So peace out.